This is a very nice set of, now it's Chinese, so it depends on what you believe, M42 8% cobalt metric drills. And the Chinese packaging is tremendously improved over what I'm used to. Isn't that pretty nice? It's all plastic, no metal. I bought these drills with the intention of transferring them to a Hout box that I already have. But this is a fairly nice case as it is. Now, I don't know if I'll be able to get this in focus, but see how the flutes have little notches cut two little leading edge notches cut across. There you can see them pretty nice. This is the 10mm, and they have those notches ground the whole way down to 3.5mm. That's the smallest drill with the, and it'll be fun to pick this up in the camera, but you can see it's got the notches on the leading edge. 1 through 3 are just a standard drill grind. But this double divoting occurs on 3.5mm and above. I'm going to have to start drilling more metric holes and just see just how well they work. This is the Banggood sell page for these Cobalt. They call them a 3-edge head. Now, the regular price is $24. I paid $10.40. Once you buy on Banggood 2, 3, 4 times, especially for buying the same kind of things, the little free ads that pop up are dominated by Banggood. DHL presented me with this today. It's a package from China. You can see it's been through the Postal Service. International Postal Service. Well, some sort of flexible, like an old flexible microphone stand. The plastic has no functionality except to cover it up. And I would guess that this magnetic this is an on-off magnetic base. Must screw onto this in some fashion. and it screws on so far that it reaches down and tightens up itself on the magnetic base. There's a magnet in here a little bit bigger than the faceplate diameter, the actuator diameter, and it rotates. It's like a barrel. So either I have to put a washer on it or take it over to the grinder and touch up these threads a little bit. For those of you that may be keeping track of these magnetic bases, this one has a 5/16 24 thread on it. Go figure. I have just put a 5/16 lock washer under here. And what we have are 3 pretty good size LEDs. This thing is rated 6 watts at 110 to 220 volts AC. Has this little switch, and it's very, very bright. I've got a piece of metal here. Turn it on. I'm going to turn some lights out. Now we're sitting next to a door with a window in it. It's where most of this light is falling in. Turn this on, and you can see it does make quite a bit of difference. Now it's auto adjust aperture in the camera, so you can see that 6 watts of LED illumination is certainly good. This is the Banggood sellers page for this little machine light, and you can see the description. And I paid $21. I must have bought it during a sale period. And you can't make out the difference here, but there are 2 different base styles. One is this quick release magnetic base, and that costs about $10 or $12 more than a base that comes with an adapter plate that could be bolted to a machine or a piece of wood or some other method of holding it. So when you buy one of these, make sure you've clicked on the right picture. The reason I'm making you aware of that is because I inadvertently bought a lamp with the wrong base. It's very nice, but it's not the base I wanted.